Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and this is just a quick little flip through of a book that I made as part of a collaboration with Tommi Phillips, known as the Goth Crafter. And we did this project and we did 4 videos, and this is the result. It's a Lilac and Lavender Dreams kit from Kyung Shotwell over at Wonders by Wink. And it's I called this Lilac and Lavender, but I think I'm going to call it Lilac, Lavender, Lace, and Pearls. I have never really done a pretty, and so this is my first try, and I hope you like it. It's held shut with a white ribbon. Definitely held shut. When you open it, it kind of pops open. This is just 2 pieces of cardstock folded in half to give us 6 pages, 8 pages total with the covers. Every page has lace and pearls. This is 2 writing cards. And all the little birds, butterflies, etc. all have glossy accents on them. The corners of, this is a large writing card right here. Goes in and out. Sure it does. And then, like on this, all the ephemera, this has glossy accents on it, and they all have little liquid pearl dots on the corners, so that it looks like everything has pearls on it. And this is a page from the kit, and then you open it up. It's held shut by a magnet. So you open it up, and on the back is writing space. This is an envelope. And part of the ephemera in the kit, I just realized I need to put little liquid pearl dots on there. Anyway, are some quotes. And this one is, "Forgiveness is the smell that lavender gives out when you tread on it." So that's awesome. So you open the back, and it's got a card inside. And I stenciled this. It goes in there. This closes. This side here are double pockets made out of envelopes. No kidding, envelopes or manila folder. Who would think I would use that? And the butterflies all have glossy accents on them. I love the way it looks. It makes them stand out and magnify. And so each pocket has 2 cards, and they've been inked on both sides, and they're writing cards. Let's see if I can get them back in here. There it goes. And there's another setup here. Once again, lace and pearls. And then on the next page, it's a double flip. This is says lilac means happiness, love, and passion, and then it's also a tuck. Those glossy accents, I get kind of stuck sometimes. Anyway, yeah. So each one has the tuck and the pearls and the lace and the glossy accents. There's cards, writing cards that go in and out of here. And this one opens and there's writing space. This one opens, there's writing space, and then there's this beautiful image here, which of course you could write over or write around, you know, if you wanted. And then on this last page is a large pocket with a Maya Angelou saying on here, and it says, "People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel." And I love that. And then so there's another writing card here, the same size as this one. It's got my little butterflies on it. And then there's a large one in the back, which is the other half of the music page that I used on the other page. And then on the back, there's more lace and pearls. So that's the flip through of my project, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I really had fun doing it, and I want to thank Tommi for doing this collaboration with me. And be sure to go over to her channel and see her 4 videos. My channel will have my 4 videos, and then there's this flip through. So you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video series, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.